Hi everyone, just a really quick video on equations of normal. So this links in with equations of tangent lines. Basically, a normal is a line that is perpendicular to the tangent line. So its gradient is going to be equal and opposite. Equal and opposite. That's not a very good normal. Anyway, at 90 degrees. So the big thing to remember that when you have two gradients that are at 90 degrees, one of them will be positive, one of them will be negative. If one's steep, the other one's shallow. So this is a negative inverse proportional relationship. So for the gradient of your tangent, that's going to equal -1 over the gradient of the normal, or you can flip it around. The gradient of the normal is going to equal -1 over the gradient of the tangent. Okay, so most of the time we'll have a gradient for the tangent and we'll have to find the gradient for the normal. It works exactly the same way. We're going to be working with the point gradient formula to find the equation of the line, because a normal is just a linear line. Okay, so let's have a really quick example. Let's use this example here that I've started with. Let's say that's x squared. Okay, so that's x squared. Let's find the equation of the normal when x equals 2. Okay, so when x equals 2, first of all, the y value, the function for the curve gives us that. So f of x gives us that. So the point that we have is 2 and 4. Then we have to find the gradient for the tangent. In order to know the gradient for the normal, we need the gradient for the tangent. To do that, we're going to need the equation for the equation for the gradient. That's the derivative, so we need to derive this function, 2 of x. We substitute it in. So the gradient equals 4. Now we have to find the gradient for the normal. So the gradient for the normal (1/4). Okay, then all we have to do is substitute it into the equation. Y minus 4 equals (-1/4) x minus 2. Now, that's going to be 4/8 plus 9/2. So, equation for the normal, no trickier than finding the equation for the tangent. It's exactly the same process, except you have to add in one extra step. Hope that helps. Let me know if there's anything else we can go through. For the moment, that's all. Okay. Thanks, guys.